Hi friends, what if your immigration case is completely stuck and your friends and maybe your lawyer recommended to contact your U.S. congressman representative for help? How do you do this? What's the process of getting the congressman to help you? And what is the most effective way to get them on your side? This video is how to do the process of getting your U.S. Congress representative involved in helping with your immigration case movement, to get it moved. They cannot help you get it approved, although sometimes actually they can. I take that back. But they definitely can get your case moved and get you to find out why it's stuck and what's happening with it. My name is attorney Marina Shepelsky. I'm a founder of a big law group called Shepelsky Law Group. We are an immigration law firm of great attorneys and paralegals and legal professionals that help people across the United States, all the states. We have some people in Texas, we have some people in California, we have some people in New York and New Jersey. So we are a team across the states. We can help you move your case. We can help you file your case and find out what's going on. This video is about how to get your congressman to help you. So, the first step is to find out what's going on with your case. You need to have your receipt notice from USCIS for that. You need to have your USCIS receipt notice, which is a notice of action that shows that they received your case. That's step number one. That has a case number, priority date, that's the date you filed the case, or rather the date they received it, when USCIS received it. Name of petitioner, name of beneficiary, case number, what is the category you filed as, whatever case type it is. And then in the left corner, you will see the processing center, or the service center it's called, USCIS Service Center, working on your case. And it may be that your case, since you filed, also was transferred to a new service center. So all this information you need to have in front of you before you even think to call a congressman, okay? You gather all this information, you have all this, then you reach out to a congressman. You put in your zip code and you Google Congress representative according to zip code, let's say 11229. That's our zip code, but please put in yours, where you live, the address is on the case. So whatever address you filed on the case, Google that zip code and the representative that helps people in that zip code. Representatives from U.S. Congress, that's part of their job to help U.S. citizens and green card holder constituents who live in that area. So you find out who the representative is and you find out the local office, not the one in Washington, D.C., unless you live in D.C. But for example, if you live in Queens, New York, you find out the representative for Queens and you contact the Queens office. That's really the best way, the local office of the representative. You go on their website, usually they have a special form you can fill out to register for getting their immigration assistance with your case. Sometimes it's called USCIS assistance, sometimes it's called immigration case assistance, sometimes it's called USCIS liaison assistance. Liaison is the connection. So they, on your behalf, will connect with USCIS and talk to a supervisor. They have their power and find out what's going on with your case. They will ask you to allow them to represent you. It's like an appointment of representative, like you giving them the power to make inquiries, to ask questions from USCIS on your behalf. A lawyer cannot contact this representative. You need to do this on your own, okay? They will not talk to lawyers. They only speak directly to the constituents, to the people who are in their district and they vote for them. So you have to fill out the special form they have for you with the receipt number, the dates, the names, all the information that you have, and you give them this form and you submit it. Some people, you do this first, you call them, then you do it online. Some people will want you first to go online and then call them. Regardless, you should call them also, right? Even if you submit it online. Submit online, follow up with a phone call, and get them talking. Now, they will help you. They will reach out to USCIS at whatever stage this case is at to that office that's handling it right now, and they will get your results. It's not going to be overnight. Some of them will email you with the results. Some of them will ask for a letter and mail you a letter. Some of them will just tell you on the phone what they found out. Usually I see emails with a response from USCIS, like our congressional office reached out to the New York City field office with your case number, so and so. This is what we heard. We heard the case is in line to be scheduled for an interview. We were told the case is still being reviewed by their officers and supervisors. Whatever. They'll tell you at what stage it's at and what's going on. And if they say, look, and they will get involved. They will say, look, these people are outside normal processing times. You guys are making them wait too long. Please get involved, get it moving. They will ask for you from USCIS to get the case moving. They will demand that USCIS do their job. That's how that works. And usually they're pretty accurate with what they find out. You will definitely not have access to the information that they have access to because they call somebody local, like a supervisor. They don't just call the 1-800 customer service number that you call or that you just go on the USCIS website. They call an internal person or like the internal department, and they find out really good information. So if your case is completely stuck and you already called USCIS yourself, and you already did the online inquiry from USCIS yourself, and you tried to chat with the Emma bot on USCIS website, right? You did all that and nothing worked. It's still stuck. It's still past processing times. That's when you reach out to the congressman. And my local congressman here has told me that they had meetings with the Department of State, and Department of State and USCIS has told them that first priority help in like moving cases when they shouldn't be moved, right, is if somebody is sick, right? Either the U.S. citizen petitioner has a health problem or the beneficiary has a problem or something like that. Illness, health problems that are documented with a letter from a doctor or from a hospital will get your case moving, expedited, urgently moved, okay? Number one. Humanitarian circumstances will get your case moving. Like if somebody has a disability or somebody's a refugee stuck in another country, congressmen can help with that for sure. Regular stuff, like regular cases, they just find out to make sure that it's not lost. I'm telling you all this so that you have the right expectations, right? So our team, our attorneys, Alina and Colleen and our paralegals will always help you guys if you are a client to find your local representative. Will help you put this together, and you have to make this inquiry yourself. When we tell you, we cannot do anything else. And sometimes we have those situations where we are stuck and we can no longer do anything else. Anything above what we've done, you need the U.S. Congress representative for. So we'll be honest with you. Thank you so much for watching. Call our team. We're all here to help you. I'm just one part of a big group, and we're all here for your guys' needs. Please call us if you need an individual consultation for your case. If it's complicated and you need help with moving your case, we can even help you find your U.S. Congress representative and look at their form and tell you what you need to get it going. Thank you for watching to the end. Sign up and become a subscriber to our channel. Hit the little bell below. Give me a little heart to show me that you like this video. And our team will be putting out more videos to come. Bye-bye.